Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the characteristic features of the Macroconidia and the Microconidia. And this is of the Dermatophytes. So the first one is the Trichophyton. So under the Trichophyton, we need to know about the macro and the micro. The macro is thin-walled and pencil-shaped. So it is pencil-shaped, and the Microconidia is small and unicellular. Then we move on to the Microsporium. Microsporum. The Microsporum is M, that is a Macroconidia. It is multicellular and the spindle-shaped. So it is spindle-shaped and it is multicellular. The Microconidia is scanty. Then we look at the Epidermophyton. It is multicellular. It is pear-shaped and arranged in clusters. So it is in clusters. And how is the shape? It is pear-shaped. And Macroconidia is absent. So what is absent? It is a Microconidia which is absent. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.